Have you been cleaning your washing machine? If not, then it's time. Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Home Remedies. In today's video, we will be sharing some ways to clean your washing machine naturally, with some basic ingredients lying in your kitchen. But before we get started, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to like and share this video. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Cleaning a washing machine sounds like a tedious task, doesn't it? But why is there a need to clean something that itself is used for a cleaning purpose? Over time, detergent deposits on the insides of your machine and serves as a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi, causing odor, mildew and grime. If you wash your clothes in an odorous machine, the odor may transfer to the fabrics. Chemical cleaning solutions, on the other hand, may cause damage to your machine. Now imagine getting your laundry done in such filth. Seems pointless, doesn't it? Natural ingredients, such as white vinegar and baking soda, can be used to easily make your own cleaning solution. This natural cleaning solution can assist in the removal of mildew, grime, and soap scum buildup. You can keep your machine clean and smelling great, whether it is top load or front loading. Here is a step-by-step guide to replenish your washer with some very basic ingredients and steps. For a top-load machine, set your washing machine to the longest and hottest cycle possible. Fill your washer completely by setting the dials to the largest load size. If you can't manually control how long your washer runs, use the heavy-duty wash cycle. Set the temperature knob to the hottest wash setting, press start, and keep the lid open while the drum fills with water. Now fill the drum with 4 cups or 950 milliliter of white vinegar. The standard white vinegar in your kitchen will suffice. Pour the vinegar into your machine as the drum fills with water. Add 1 cup or 220 grams of baking soda. While the water is filling the drum, add the baking soda, and stir it around to ensure that it is evenly distributed throughout the machine. Baking soda reacts with vinegar to lift residue and clean the inside of your machine. How does baking soda and vinegar cleaning works? When you combine vinegar and baking soda, you get a fizzy chemical reaction that can help dissolve stains and loosen up gunky messes. Awaken the hidden scientist in you. Moving forward, allow the water to soak for 1 hour while stirring it. Close the machine's lid for 1 minute to allow the cycle to begin. This will thoroughly mix the baking soda, vinegar, and water, and distribute your cleaning solution throughout the drum. Lift the lid back up after a minute to halt the cycle. Allow the cycle to finish before closing the machine. If the cycle does not resume immediately, close the lid and restart your machine. Wait until the cycle is complete and the solution has been drained from the drum. After the cycle is completed, wipe the sides and bottom of the drum with a rag. Wipe any residue from the interior of your machine with a clean dish rag. To scrub any trouble spots, dip one end of the rag into a mixture of 3 parts warm water and 1 part vinegar. And voila! Your washer is clean as new. But if you have a front-load washer, don't worry, we got you. We have a bonus method for you. Using vinegar and a sponge, remove mildew from the seal. Scrub underneath the plastic or rubber seal around the door of your washing machine with a sponge dipped in vinegar. If the mildew does not come up, soak it in vinegar for 20 minutes before sponging it. Using a paper towel, wipe the seal dry. Now, fill the drum of the washing machine with 2 cups or around 470 milliliters of white vinegar. A good way to guess if you've added enough vinegar is to make sure the drum is filled halfway. After the vinegar is added, you need to close the door or lid of the washing machine before you move on to the next step. Fill the detergent well with warm water and baking soda. 1/4 cup or 59 milliliters water, and 1/4 cup or 55 gram of baking soda, in a small bowl. Pour the solution directly into the wells, where you would put detergent, fabric softener, and bleach. Once it has been combined, when you run the machine, all of the wells are cleaned. After that, using hot water, run a normal cycle. Set the cycle temperature to the highest setting your machine allows. Use the regular cycle for clothes, or a heavy-duty cycle, to give the cleaner more time to soak into the drum. Once you're done, just give the drum a good wipe with a clean rag. Make sure to get rid of as much grime and mold as you can. Damping the wipe should help, Otherwise, you can also use clean water. If there's any mildew, you can get rid of that by using a scouring brush. And there you go, with a washer clean as new. It is recommended that you run your washer through a cleaning cycle, once a week, or bi-weekly, depending on how frequently you use the machine. If you don't use it as frequently, it's recommended that you wash it, both inside and out, once a month. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you liked today's video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and also like and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye.